Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Get Outside with Outdoor Evan. Today we're going to talk about this shrub, wax myrtle, Myrica cerifera, and what it means to us as humans and animals. Native peoples in the Southeast utilize this plant for many different things. The leaves, the bark, the stems, the twigs can all be used for medicine. Choctaw Native Americans used various concoctions from wax myrtle to treat fevers, tonsillitis, and other throat problems. The Homa used the berries to make candles, boiling the wax off. And the Seminole Indians used to make lye and use it as a tobacco substitute, along with an insect repellent. Wax myrtle is a very useful plant. Wax myrtle has simple, alternate leaves that when crushed are very aromatic. That scent can be used to keep away mosquitoes. Wait a second, you mean these leaves can keep away mosquitoes? Let me get some of that. Just like with the American beautyberry, all you need are a handful of leaves. You can crush them up. Just like I said before in my other video, I like to smell the leaves, because each plant smells different. This one has a nice scent to it, and it can be used to keep away biting flies and mosquitoes, which is really helpful. The horizontal lines found on the stem are called linicils. That is an area in which the plant is able to offer gas exchange. In other words, it's a place where the plant can breathe. Wax myrtle is restricted in its range to areas at 500 feet above sea level and below. It prefers mild winters and hot and humid summers. The fruits of wax myrtle are eaten by many different wildlife species. Like quail and wild turkey will eat the fruit, as will many other songbird species. Deer are not really big fans of eating this plant. The seeds from wax myrtle are extremely important to the Carolina wren's winter diet. Thanks for joining me today as we learned a little bit more about wax myrtle, a persistent plant, also known as an evergreen plant, that lives in North America and is found at elevations below 500 feet above sea level. The leaves can be used for multiple different things. The berries can be consumed by multiple creatures and used in different ways, and it's all around a great plant to have in the forest. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. If you'd like to follow some of my adventures, you can look at my Instagram page above. And if you'd like to read more about my adventures and other things that I'm up to, you can follow me on my website down below. As always, thank you for joining me, and I hope that this helps you get outside a little bit more. Now let's do our best to get outside and explore.